Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering ingredients and tools so the cooking flows without pauses. Use 1 pound of white fish, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Pat the fillets dry on paper towels to remove excess moisture for better adhesion. Cut fish into 3/4-inch wide sticks so they cook evenly and fit on a baking sheet or skillet. Set up 3 stations: flour, beaten eggs, and 1 cup breadcrumbs to speed up the coating process and keep your hands clean. Work methodically so each fish stick receives an even coating and a crispy finish. Dredge each stick in flour, dip in 2 beaten eggs, then coat with 1 cup panko breadcrumbs for extra crunch. Press gently so the crumbs adhere and rest them briefly on a wire rack to set the coating. Heat 1/4-inch vegetable oil to 350 degrees F in a heavy skillet for shallow frying, or preheat a fryer to the same temperature. Fry in batches 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden brown and an instant-read thermometer. If you prefer a lighter option, choose the oven method and arrange the sticks on a parchment-lined sheet. For baked fish sticks, spray with oil and bake at 425 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping once halfway so both sides crisp. Let cooked sticks rest 2 minutes before serving to firm up. Serve with tartar sauce or ketchup and lemon wedges. Suggested portion is 4 to 6 sticks per person, depending on appetite. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours and freeze up to 3 months in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.